just to make sure you don't get, well, if you do get rear-ended, you don't want to get rear-end that guy. And then the guy behind you would pay for the damage in this car, but then you'd have to pay for the damage in, yeah. It's like, pay it forward. Traffic, look at that. It's getting all congested over there. Fun. Put it on Do Not Disturb. That's what I do when I get home. I put it on Do Not Disturb. Otherwise, my thing's like just blowing up. Yeah. So we have this one-way arrow here. We're going to turn right down Cedar. And if you're looking down the road, you see what's going on here. Doesn't really matter which lane you choose when you're on the one-ways.
Okay.
Like on the two-ways. If there's two lanes, you always move to the right. That doesn't apply to the one-ways. Yeah. Okay, let's make a left lane change as soon as we get across the crosswalk. Toot sweet. And left turn here. I think we're gonna make it. Yeah, you got it. Okay. Short little distance. And which way are we going here at the stop sign?
Left.
How do you know?
Because the arrow.
You see the arrow. I don't trust arrows though. What else? Complete stop. And if you look over here, 2 stop signs, both backwards. Yeah, a lot of clues, right? But yeah, you still see people go the wrong way sometimes.